we will add some lists to our city pages in Lesson 10. So you can start by opening your newyork.htm page in TextEdit. And you may recall that at the very bottom, we have a section called More New York City Attractions. And if you were to actually look at that page in the browser, you would see that it just looks like a string of text, that it doesn't really mean anything. Well, that's because we need to make it into a list. So we're going to start down here, and just after the paragraph tag, we are going to put in the tag for a numbered list. So a numbered list is an ordered list. Okay, so that means it's going to start with an OL and end with an OL. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in. Whoops, OL. And then at the end, I'm going to close it. Okay? And each item in the list, though, has to have a specific tag. Otherwise, it doesn't work. Now, in this ordered list, there's actually only going to be 4 items: the Statue of Liberty, Empire State Building, Broadway, and then the Metropolitan Museum of Art. And I also see that somehow or another I left off part of this. So I'm going to highlight the Metropolitan Museum of Art from here in the directions, and I'm going to paste it there. So you should do the same. All right, so the first item in this ordered list is Statue of Liberty. So it's going to have a list item tag at the beginning and then a closing one at the end. I can copy and put one here for Empire State Building and Broadway. And then again at the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Now, there are 3 other items that are in here: Rent, Chicago, and Cabaret. Those are not going to be part of our ordered list. Okay, so if I did a save right now and looked at this, this is what it looks like. Okay, what we actually want this to be is we want to make it a nested list. And the nested list is going to be an unordered list. Now, you can nest ordered inside of ordered or unordered inside of unordered, or flip it around, okay? But in this case, we're just going to make it bulleted. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to put in a UL tag at the beginning before rent. I'm going to close it after Cabaret, and then of course each item needs, each item needs an opening and a closing. And yes, you can copy and paste once you have it typed correctly. And so now when I save it and I go refresh the page, you can see the numbered list and then the bulleted list that is indented under Broadway. And that's because these are 3 shows that you can see on Broadway. So you're going to do that with the remainder of the pages. On San Francisco, you're going to have a nested list, and the directions are here. Paris, you're going to have a simple ordered list. And in Rome, you're going to have a simple ordered list. Now you can do those on your own.